Okay, landlord.
Agidigba, what is it?
That I saw you.
What is the Kenedrichuku that you saw me?
Thank God that I saw you. That is the meaning of a Kenedrichuku. Okay, landlord, you know you're a very good man.
Agidigba, stop painting me white and yellow. Go straight to point.
Okay, landlord, I need help from you, Biko.
How?
I just need little help from you. I just need you to borrow me some money. I will pay you back in a very short time.
Can you pay back?
Okay, landlord, what do you mean?
Agidigba, I have not seen you count money before. You can't pay me back.
Hey!
I can't borrow you money.
Okay, landlord, I beg now. Okay, landlord. Okay, landlord, I beg now.
Agidigba, you cannot pay.
Okay, landlord, I beg now.
That's for them. That's for me.
Okay, landlord.
Agidigba, why are you following me for?
Okay, landlord. If I don't need your help, I won't be following you.
Agidigba,
come through for me now. I need your help. I beg.
Agidigba, how do you think I have what you want?
Deep down me, my spirit is telling me that you have what I need. And you have it in abundance. So help me. You know what I can be cool.
You can't pay back.
I can pay back.
Agidigba, do you have a collateral?
Collateral?
You want a collateral? Do you have anything to show that in case you don't bring my money, this is what I will hold?
Do I have a collateral?
Yes.
I have what is more than collateral. Something you will love.
What is that?
See, let me tell you something. You are the only person that I'm telling this in aside the Iwe. From the back of Mazen Duka's house down to the riverside.
From Ishimiri to Azumiri.
All those lands belong to me. Low key. Don't let another person hear this thing.
Then why haven't I been seeing you around that land?
Because I want to keep it low key. That is why I don't even go close to the land.
Agidigba, tell me you're not lying.
Why would I lie to you?
Agidigba, tell me you're not lying.
Have you seen anybody claiming that land before?
Have I been there before?
Yeah, you have not been there before.
I only pass.
You only pass. And you know that land is more than 18 plots. So don't worry, I will pay you back.
How much do you want?
It's just small money that I want. 1.2 million naira is just what I want.
For who?
1.2 million naira for 2 plots of land now.
I need something you can pay me back fast. I'm giving you 500,000.
500,000?
5.
For the 2 plots of land?
Yes.
My landlord did you come in?
It's a collateral.
Okay, that 500,000, I'll just give you 1 plot of land.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
Landlord, no problem.
I'm not interested.
Landlord, no problem.
Agidigba, listen to me. If you don't pay me back my money, more will kill you.
If I don't pay you that money, Amadio can appear and kill me directly.
It's an agreement.
It's an agreement between you and I.
Come and show me the land.
Let me show you the land.
Show me the land. Let us go. Come and show me the land.
Let's go. Let me show you the land. I told you, from Ishimiri there, down to Azumiri there, they are all my own.
They are your land.
Everything here, it is mine.
Boy,
you have Bugomozu. Landlord,
How about this side?
That place, from Ukodara, down to Ukumango, down to Ukorinja. Everything is also mine.
Abubakar.
Landlord,
True.
See,
No, you don't have to say it again.
Landlord.
You don't say. You know what? You know what? I'll make it 700,000.
700,000
for what I'm seeing here now. I'm convinced.
Hey, landlord.
Hey,
what?
I will pay you 700,000. Sir, you will not meet up to pay back. Then the land will become my land.
Hey, but I will still pay you back your money. I will pay you your money, landlord.
It will delay.
It will never delay.
It will delay.
It will not delay.
It will delay.
But don't worry. Let's go. I'm a chiaga later.
Let me go and pay you.
Let us go. You come chiaga. Landlord, what is it now?
Baby, who is he?
He's one of these people I help in my charity works.
Abubakar, you helping me in your charity?
Why are you disturbing the peace of me and my baby? Can't you see that we're having good time?
So you're not chasing woman?
Will I chase man before?
Where's my money?
Which money? I gave you 2 land, young man. I gave you 2 plots of land. How much did you give me? Change. You gave
me a wrong land.
I gave you wrong land.
Agidigba, that land is not your land.
Hey!
I went there to excavate that land. People came out and was chasing me that this land does not belong to me. Agidigba, why did you lie to me? Are you a scammer?
I'm a runner, give another person.
Abubakar,
If they rear you, you give chance so that they can rear another person.
Agidigba, you have reared me.
I reared you before.
Agidigba, you hear from me.
I've been hearing from you and it's only noise I've been hearing. It's nothing reasonable.
You hear from me.
Baby, tell this man that we will hear nothing from him.
We'll not hear from you.
Agidigba, thunder fire you.
Under fire, Kwage. Look at this man who coming. Baby, don't mind this man. Maybe let's continue. Under arrest. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. I don't understand. Young man, if you move, I move you. What did I do?
Agidigba! You want to know what you have done, Abi? Now you now know what you have done. Agidigba, where's my money?
It has not gotten to this now, Oga landlord.
Agidigba, it has gotten. Where's my money? You scammed me. He's a thief.
I scammed you.
Oh yes.
That we pay you your money. But why must you bring police and SWAT to come and arrest me?
Because you scammed me.
It's not like that now. Hey, your money safe. I even plan to pay you your money now in like 45 minutes and even pay you with interest.
How do you say you give me my money?
Don't worry about that one. You don't know. I sold my kidney.
You say?
I sold my kidney.
Jehovah Biafra. Agidigba,
I sold one of my kidney.
how much did they buy it?
It's just 79 million.
Abubakar. Wonderful. Agidigba, look at me very well. How much do you think they can buy my kidney at my age?
They can give you 39 million because you are an old man.
Abubakar! Listen, that 39 million is still a big money to me.
It's still bigger than all the riches you have.
Let's go.
Gentlemen, I think we are forgetting something here.
What is that?
I thought we came to arrest this man.
Yes. Arrest who? No, arrest who?
This man?
In the place? Inesia, you want to arrest somebody that is innocent in this present thing now? I brought you for this arrest and I will still dismiss you. What is your problem? I see him.
Anyway, what do I know? If he says so.
Take me to the kidney buyers.
Oga landlord, please don't be offended. Agidigba, please. Sorry. Please, do they still need kidneys?
Not police kidney.